Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Stryker SR-655, doing a tune-up report for Ray in Georgia. Okay Ray, we're going to start on AM. We'll run the power all the way down. We'll take a look at my watt meter here on 10 watts. All the way down is 1. Alright, I'm going to go to the next scale now. We got 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. And then I'll turn it all the way up to about 20. And a peak power on a 100 watt slug in the bottom scale there. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Okay, and now FM power. 40 all the way up. And it's about 1 all the way down. 1 watt all the way down. There you have it. Hey, breaker 1 down for radio check. How about the 19's my radio getting out? Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, check, check.
Loud and clear, loud and clear, loud and clear.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.